Matplotlib how to draw a rectangle on image. How to draw a rectangle on an image like this. I don't know how to proceed.
You need use patches.
You can add a rectangle patch to the Matplotlib axes. For example, using the image from the tutorial here.
From my understanding, Matplotlib is a plotting library. If you want to change the image data, e.g. draw a rectangle on an image, you could use Pill's image draw, OpenCV, or something similar. Here is Pill's image draw method to draw a rectangle. Here is one of OpenCV's methods for drawing a rectangle. Your question asked about Matplotlib, but probably should have just asked about drawing a rectangle on an image. Here is another question which addresses what I think you wanted to know. Draw a rectangle and a text in it using Pill.
There is no need for subplots, and PyPlot can display Pill images, so this can be simplified further. Or, the short version.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.